All right, we are here in San Diego Cars and Coffee at Elite Finish. And if you look around, we have a wide variety of vehicles. We got everything from, 1966 Chevy station wagons to G-Wagons to exotic Ferraris, and you name it, it's here. So we're gonna walk around, check out a few cars, and then have some fun. Hi, I'm Snow. And this is
Gas and go with Snow. Time to steal the show.
All right, this Cars and Coffee is a little bit unique because it's not just a gathering of cars. I mean, Elite Finish actually set up food, you got drinks, on top of all of the cars and the wide variety. So there's a little bit of something here for everybody. 1966 wagon. And I believe this is called Fawn. It's not called Gold, but really nice example of one. So we keep on moving. You got, your classic race car livery. Got the late 80s, early 90s 911. Of the 911s, this is definitely one of my favorite. This one is something special here. 1984 Subaru Brat. So if you like this, we're gonna actually do a full interview with this vehicle. Great story. One of my all-time favorite Japanese cars, Godzilla. I'd say this is probably like a 90, 91, but GTR, R32. And this is one of Bucky Lasek's cars. The man has probably 10 Subarus and all of them are nice. This one is no exception. All right. Oh, hey, there we go. 90Z. Now, the twin turbo version of this thing was a beast back in the late 80s, early 90s. This thing was a monster. You got the Mini. These things were monsters on the racetrack. If you ever seen any of the Goodwood videos, you'll see these massive Camaros just running off on the straightaway, and then in the turns, you'll see these guys just catching up. Love these little cars. And you can coax some power out of these little bitty 4-cylinders. Got another R32 GTR over there. Now, I have a Humvee, but the Unimog, this is one of my favorites right here. And looking in here, it looks like they've got custom Corbo seats in it. So I'm guessing there's a lot of work in this vehicle. The tank's all polished, got the massive tires. It's set up for overlanding. So this is a cool vehicle. I like this. You can't go wrong with a classic BMW, the 2002. And it looks like she means business. This thing is completely cleared out of interior. It's got the roll cage, got the custom seats, 5-point harnesses. Yeah, I'd like to get that on the track myself. The San Diego car enthusiasts, these guys definitely got it going on. I'm looking at, you got, classic Porsches, you got new M4 convertibles, Audi R8, and then boom, here you go. American muscle with a 383 under the hood. These guys have a little bit of something for everybody. I know nothing about rally cars, but this just looks fast. And this looks like an actual race car here. I mean, I'm looking at the lugs, look at the wheels, and how it's outfitted. Definitely. Yeah. So I'm guessing this guy is an actual race car. All right. But now, one of my favorite vehicles of this whole event is right here. Looks like we got a Blue Angel NSX. Andy, you have one of the most unique vehicles here and certainly one of the most, eye catchers. So tell me a little bit about what is this?
It's a 97 Acura NSX and my tribute to all of our service people.
Okay, now what gave you the idea to do the Blue Angel theme?
Okay, well, I was a Navy brat. My father served 20 years in the Navy.
Okay.
And I have a lot of friends that are in the service or have served. The car club I run, we have a lot of military folk. And so, growing up around all that stuff, it just made me want to pay some sort of tribute. Even though I didn't join, this is my way of honoring all those that served our country.
I love it. Okay, so you talked about a car club that you run. What kind of vehicles are in your car club?
All makes and models. All these cars here are all different types of cars.
Oh, so you guys are the San Diego
car enthusiasts in my car club. Yeah.
I just said the San Diego car enthusiast guys got it figured out, because I saw the R8 and I saw the Porsche, the classic Porsche, and I saw the brand new M4 convertible, and then I saw like the 72 Nova with the 380 300, and I was like, these guys got it figured out, because
All makes and models.
all makes and models. I love it, because I have, you know, a couple of cars and they couldn't be more different. I got an 87 Grand National.
Nice.
I got a 62 Impala. I got a 92 Humvee, right? So I got all the, it's just the weirdest eclectic group of cars, right?
Yeah.
And I love what you guys are doing. That's perfect.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Yeah. Okay, so what's next for, what's the name of the car?
Do I have a personal name?
Yeah.
I don't have a personal name for it. I just call it the Blue Angel Tribute. Tribute to Naval Aviation right now is what it's set up. I've had Top Gun on there. I've had Blue Angels on there. I've been in the at the air show last several years. I've participated in the San Diego Veterans Day Parade the last 4 years. I had a veteran ride with me each time. So I make my way around.
Well, hey, I mean,
Spreading
if
the word.
you ever have a spot in one of those parades, I'm a vet. I would love to take a ride with you.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Reach out to me. I'd love to have you ride with me next year.
All right, sounds good. Yeah. Well, hey, this year I'll make sure my schedule's open. But yeah, hey, thanks again for taking the time to talk to me. And you know what?
Thank you for
Great
your service.
vehicle. I really love it, man.
Thank you.
All right, thanks. All right, I'm here with Kevin. Hey, thanks, man. All right,
thanks for coming
now,
out.
so tell us a little bit about what it takes for you guys to pull this together.
Well, it's about a week of getting ready. So we empty out the whole shop, clean up the whole shop, and kind of curate the cars inside for good photos and people to see and kind of show off some cars we worked on. And it's just, it's all the vendors and the sponsors that make it happen. And at the end of the day, it's the people. It's people.
Now, how many cars usually show up for this event?
I'd say between 500 to 800 cars, like fill up the whole neighborhood. Because I mean, we kind of gauge it off of like Donut Bar. Donut Bar sells 800 donuts. They sell out 800 donuts every time. And so the percentage of people that are here buying a donut, not sure, but I don't know, 30%, 40% is.
Yeah, no, that's I'd say that's a fair assessment. But no, I noticed when we got here, man, cars all down the street, both sides of the street, around the corner. So it's a pretty popular event.
Yeah, I feel awful at like 8:20 being like, sorry, we're full, but it's 186 spots in here, and so. I mean, the event starts at 9, but it's packed. We got here at like 6:15, 6:30. There were cars waiting already, which is crazy.
Tell me a little bit about what Elite does.
So Elite Finish is a quality-focused paint protection film, detailing, and window tint shop. We also do vinyl wraps and customization, but we've kind of always focused on quality first and foremost, and the rest comes. So it's having the best quality in terms of our paint correction and polishing before ceramic coating goes on. It's the prep work and the cutting and the custom finishing of paint protection film installs and clear bra. So that's what we're known for. That's what we love, and just protecting cars, styling cars, and it's always been a passion-driven project, and so it's really fun to have a community out to support it and have some fun.
Well, one of the things I really like about this particular event, man, you got a really diverse group of cars here.
Everything. We got, literally rally cars next to Porsches, next to, like Lamborghinis, and then there's a guy here with like a old Charger with a Viper swap in it, and like just imports, K cars, all sorts of stuff. It's fun.
Well, next event, I'll bring my Grand National out.
Please. Love it.
Yeah, all right.
Awesome.
Thanks again, man. All right, talk to you soon. Today in particular, this Cars and Coffee, it's not just a collection of cars. This is a meeting of car clubs. So this is San Diego Tesla Club, right? And they got 5-6 vehicles here, and you get a wide variety of upgrades on these Teslas. If you look at those two, you can see the air suspension under the hood. All right, Bree, how you doing today?
Good. How are you?
All right, Toby, how's it going today?
I'm awesome. How are you?
All right, so Toby, tell me a little bit about what you guys have going on here.
Yeah, so this is actually my wife, power couple. I have a 2021 Tesla Model 3 Performance, and then she has the 2023 Tesla Model 3. We have all of our custom work done through AJ Motorsports, Air BFT air suspension system. The entire interior was customized with cat skin leather by AJ Motorsports. There's a Starlight headliner, customized trunk setup, the stickers on the top of the American flag, and the tint were done through Endless Auto. We have 20-inch Lexani rims with wheel lights through Customs Unlimited, low glow, underglow, and the audio setup in the back is two 12-inch JL Audio in a customized box, again built by AJ Motorsports.
So I can tell you shooting from the hip, you've never done that before. Man, God damn. Wow. Okay. All right. So yeah, tell me a little bit about your setup.
So my setup is pretty much the same as his. I'm actually sponsored by AJ Motorsports, so he did all of my work. So he did my fog lights, my tail lights, my headlights, my bumper lights are all RGB'd, so they're not stock. They pulled out my interior and did cat skin leather. I also have the Starlight headliner. I have a custom frunk and a custom trunk. I have two 10-inch speakers because he's a overachiever and had to do better. I started and then he followed and he had to one-up me. So I
Don't you hate that when he outdoes you?
Right. I'm like, did you really have to do that? See, so when he got this, he was like, I'm not going to modify it. This is my daily driver. So here we are.
I love it.
There's no hate, like whatever. Yeah, other than that, all my work's been pretty much done at AJ Motorsports. The interior was done by EV Auto Style. I also have the same 20-inch rims that he has by Lexani. Underglow is also by Low Glow. Wheel lights from Customs Unlimited. It's all the same stuff. We shop at the same place.
All right. Well, hey, thanks for taking the time to talk to us. Man, you know what? That is really cool when you see the whole fam getting into it. You know, and you guys go to car shows together, maybe less arguing.
No, I won.
The dynamic duo.
Yep,
There you go.
The dynamic duo. I actually won first last week. He got second.
Oh, did that sting a little bit?
A little bit. But hey, you know what? As long as she's happy, you know, happy wife, happy life.
There you go. If mama ain't happy, nobody's happy. All right, you guys, let's move on. This one is a Plaid. Has the track package, and on a closed course by a professional driver, this thing has done 200 miles an hour. But we'll talk about that one a little bit later. The customization in the Tesla world is growing, and people are doing more and more with it. So I'm curious to see where that goes here in the next few months. All right, if you ever get a chance, definitely come down to San Diego Cars and Coffee here at Elite Finish, because there is something for everybody here. This is a really nice and a well thought out event. So come on down, check it out. Hopefully I'll see you out and about town. We'll see you guys next time on Gas and Go with Snow.
The king of the streets got the swagger, oh my. First shot he needs to do with a low rider machine. Cherry red paint, chrome wheels like bling. Slow pulls out his camera, ready to roll. Gas and Go with Snow, time to steal the show.